Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hi friends, have you ever tried egg curry with dry anchovies and drumsticks? It tastes really good. If you want to try different tastes from regular egg curries, definitely you must try this recipe. Preparation is also very easy with regular ingredients. So without any delay, let's start the preparation. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit like button if you like this recipe. So let's see the ingredients we need to prepare this dish. Take 5 boiled eggs and make slits to the eggs to avoid blasting while frying. Soak small tamarind in a bowl and extract the pulp and keep it aside. First heat the pan. Add 1/4 cup oil. Heat oil on a medium-high flame. Once oil is hot, add half teaspoon red chili powder and mix with the oil. Now slowly add the eggs to the oil. Please make sure to make slits to the eggs to avoid blasting while frying. And fry on a medium flame till eggs turns to nice golden color. Stir eggs occasionally to fry on both the sides. Now you can see eggs turn to nice golden color. Now drain the excess oil and transfer to the plate. Now to the same oil add 1 cup dry anchovies. Fry on a medium flame for a minute. Dry anchovies doesn't take more time to fry, so please be careful while frying, do not burn them. After a minute, reduce the flame to low. Drain the excess oil and transfer anchovies to the plate. Now our fried fish is ready. Next to the same oil add 1 large chopped onion. Saute on a medium-high flame till onions turns to nice golden color. Next to this add 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 sprig curry leaves. Saute for a minute. Next to this add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute on a medium-high flame for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes till tomatoes are soft and mushy. Once tomatoes are soft, add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons red chili powder. Add chili powder according to your spice level. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well with onions and tomatoes. Next add drumsticks and fry on a medium flame for 3 minutes till the raw smell goes. Next to this add half cup extracted tamarind pulp, 1 cup water. Mix well with the masala. Cover and cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes until mixture comes to a boil. Once mixture comes to boil, remove the lid. Stir once. Now add fried fish and fried eggs to the curry. Stir well with the masala. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on a low-medium flame till gravy thickens and drumsticks cooked. Drumsticks take some time to cook, so make sure to cook on a low flame. After 15 minutes, remove the lid. Mix the curry once. Now you can see gravy has thickened. Also drumsticks changed color and cooked well. Now at this point you can adjust the gravy consistency. If you want thicker consistency, cook for another 5 minutes. For thinner consistency, add some water. Finally add chopped coriander. Mix with the curry and turn off the flame. Simple and tasty dry anchovies drumsticks egg curry is ready. Serve with hot rice or roti. Definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.